What is going on, you guys? Welcome to Wise Guy Box, and today we are going to take a look at Samsung Galaxy M31s. I picked this up from Amazon for 19,499 Indian rupees. I'll put the link in the description. And now let's unbox and see what we get. Let's get this wrapper off real quick. Now this would be the phone itself. Yeah, Samsung Galaxy M31s. This is a 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM variant. Mirage blue, as you can see. Now let's see what we get inside the box. The first one off, second one off. Set that aside. Now we get another box. Let's see. This would be your usual manual and stuff. Yeah, set that aside. SIM ejector tool, and pretty much it. This is going to be your device. We will check that out in a bit. This is your Type-C to Type-C charging cable. As you can see, Type-C to Type-C. Yeah. Set that aside. Now, this would be your 25-watt charging brick with the Type-C input. Set that aside as well. Let's see if we have anything else in the box. Nope, that's pretty much it. And now the device itself. Let's get this plastic off real quick. Yeah. Check that out. This is a Mirage blue variant, combination of silver, and let's get this thing off first. A combination of silver and blue. Pretty solid look, looks pretty badass if I'm being honest. Yeah, this would be your volume rockers up and down, your power on and off, your headphone jack 3.5mm, charging point, speakers and microphone. This would be your SIM ejector tray. We get a quad camera with flash and Samsung branding at the bottom. Pretty solid. Now let's boot this up and see if we have any juice left. So yeah, Samsung Galaxy M31s. You can skip this part if you like. We will go through the setup real quick. Let's see how much time it takes to actually boot up. It has a 2.3 GHz processor. So this would be your pinhole camera, I forgot to mention. The camera embedded in the screen, and let's go. I'm trying to skip most of it, so this is going to be a quick one. So skip, don't copy. Just a second. Okay. Google services, accept. And next, skip. Samsung account, skip. Finish, all done. Get access to exclusive Samsung services, done. And this is pretty much it. Phone has been booted up. Yes, that's your basic notification panel. Pretty basic Android 10 notification panel. As you can see, nothing fancy. Let's go through the settings real quick. There we go. About phone, status, software information, Android version 10, Android 10 as you can see. Let's go to the memory, storage, that is your ROM, 106 GB available, 21.6 GB have been used. Let's go to the memory, that is your RAM, 3.1 GB available, 2.3 GB have been used. You can clean it up if you like. .7 GB available. There we go. Let's go to the setting real quick. Sounds and vibration, nothing fancy here. Display, pretty basic. Wallpaper, you don't need that. So pretty basic setting for Android 10. No lag so far. Works real fine. Let's check out the camera. You can see the flickering of the light. That's not the camera, that's my light settings, so you don't have to worry about that. And this is pretty much it, I guess. Works smoothly for a 2.3 GHz phone, and this is a solid smartphone. I highly recommend this phone. I gave it a solid 8.10. This will be your charging brick and your Type-C cable. Yeah, no headphones or earphones, obviously Samsung. So this is pretty much it. This was a short unboxing and a review for Samsung Galaxy M31s. Thanks for checking out my unboxing video. Follow me on social media at WiseGuy that is WiseGuy on Twitter and Instagram. Till next time, peace out.